Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix Roblox crashing without error or warning after update. Did the latest Roblox update turn your game into a crash simulator? Don't worry, there are a couple of simple things you can try. If Roblox started crashing immediately after updating, one option is to install an older version of the game. To do that, search for Roblox on a site like Up to Down, open the Roblox page, and look for the older version section where you can download the previous release that was stable on your computer. Another option, which often fixes updated related issues, is to use a Microsoft Store version of Roblox instead of the standard launcher. Simply open the Microsoft Store from your Windows search bar, search for Roblox, and install it from here. The Microsoft Store version uses a slightly different installation method and can sometimes avoid bugs that affect the regular client. If you're still having problems after reinstalling, try completely uninstalling Roblox first before installing one of these versions. In many cases, switching versions or reinstalling the game is enough to fix crashes caused by a bad update and get you back into your favorite experiences. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.